What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Oh shit, it's your boy Benny back at it again. I got it right here. Right now we're on our way to a private session which is held in the 905. That is like the main that's the main freeway, and it's off to like some warehouses. People go and do drifting, donuts, and I don't know, whatever they feel like doing. It's nothing like a takeover because it's like in a warehouse, lonely, you know, which I feel like is better, you know. You're not disrupting anybody or anything, or, you know, people still do dumb stuff, so we'll see if we catch anything dumb, but we'll be there in a couple minutes. Let's see how it goes. I don't know where David's at or nothing.
Oh, David's over there, look.
Oh, Rock, come on.
Came out here. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I guess it's super left because the cops are coming.
Oh, really?
Nah, he said he wants to set something up, I guess.
That's you?
Yeah, but he's not here today.
So this isn't like a takeover, huh?
No.
This is like a...
Takeover's like when you go take over.
Yeah, I know, but...
Smack people, bro. Oh, alright, we're here with Rocky. Rocky, shout your Instagram out real quick.
Rocky Famzy 33.
Yeah, let's do it. Hey, the quality on this shit is A1, nigga. So
Turn the blue lighting on or no?
yeah. Turn it on. Oh, yup. Let me put my seatbelt on. Bitch ass guy was right there. Let's get it.
Woo! It's dripping up a lot right now for some reason.
Alright, that's Mikey VQ right there, guys. This is Mikey VQ in the flesh. Hey, Mikey!
This dude.
What's up? Rocky, you better. You're lying. Is it really?
People are running, yeah.
Oh yeah.
I think so.
Wait, no. I think someone got hit or something. Cause they're walking.
Nah, but they're still clearing out, I think. Damn it.
didn't get to record. He was on top of the car.
Hey, back up! Back up! Back up! Everybody back up! I'm undercover. Back up!
Hey, he's dead, huh?
Huh?
He's dead?
Yeah, I don't know. It looked like it. Look.
He just recorded like that.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck.
Hey, can you hear me?
Damn. I don't know why I thought that'd be someone as well. I was trying to record it because I knew he was gonna fall.
Alright, so apparently some guy fell. We thought it was the cops, but I guess not. I guess some guy fell out of a car. I stopped when I left, but I am now. I just got stuck.
Hey, he like go on top of the car and tried hanging on like this,
And he flew off.
and he flew off.
What the fuck? What a dummy. He tried holding on to the roof while he swinged it.
Oh,
Like with his hands grabbing on. Some guy, I don't know. Be careful, because
Make sure you record. Make sure that
I am recording a room.
is he still? Where's he at?
I don't know. I think he got up already. Hold on, David's coming. You guys saw it? It was bad.
Yeah,
He went.
was on here.
Uh-huh.
And he fell off.
He was on here,
And
holding on like
that. He swinged it one time, nigga fell
fell.
rolling. He's knocked down the floor, all throw up, and it's coming out of his nose. He's still knocked out.
Yeah, he's still knocked out.
Where's he at?
He's over there.
No
They're trying to
way.
Wake him up, he's still knocked out.
knocked out.
Bro, they need to take him to the hospital.
Hella. They need to take that nigga to the.
Where's he at?
He's standing in between Oscar.
Oh yeah, he's standing up now.
What's up? Try to get through there. Hella. Maybe just go from like right here. Don't go so far because you can.
Like taking up the middle spot though.
How you tired?
I don't know, they're pretty low.
not do it.
Oh my God. I'm Sleepy Flacco. This is not me.
You'll do it?
Yeah.
I know who you are, but you'll
I
do
don't know
it?
about tonight.
All you do is 2 donuts, 1 donut.
Let him do it, Rocky.
No.
Let him do it.
I've hung out your car 3 times. And I thought about it every single time. Any other car I've been in, you're the only one that I can imagine doing it because you
I say he does. You do 1 donut with him hanging on.
just one.
I don't know.
Respect, I'll let you think about it again.
Alright.
Alright. That cool?
All right, come on, Sleepy
Yeah.
Flacco. Hey, and you were trying to hang out the outside? And you were trying to hang out the outside? You said you got that good footage? I did. Is he gonna do it? David the Tuner, Rocky, Tyler, Cameron the frat boy.
David, it's there, right there. What's that on the 350Z over there?
They're finding him on the bridge, but he's with the girl.
Hold on, let me.
No, it's a guy, but they do
Damn,
it. That's you. Yeah, she killed herself. Yeah,
What
poor
the
him.
fuck?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I can get like a good shot, but I mean.
That's just crashed in the side.
But we're not like-
Like Incredible Hulk in that
Let's go. What that was about, it's not. These are called private sessions, but they're like private drift sessions. And I mean, people just, as you saw, they go drifting. It was cool.
Watch out for these guys. They're like fucking make weird.
Just want to kind of talk about something that happened. So during halfway through the thing, some kid, because he's not thinking, he decided to try to get on the roof and hang on like from door to door and like this, like if he was Dominic Toretto or something, you know, from Fast and the Furious. I think he did that at one point in the movie. I'm gonna try to find some footage of him falling off. I tried to record it, but my phone was just not turning on quick enough, and it kind of sucked. I think I got like the ending when he was already on the floor rolling and whatnot. But at the end, he did get up. I think he walked it off. I'm not sure. Obviously, he might go to the
PR.
yeah, because he was throwing up, and more likely, I think that's kind of like a signs of concussion. No, we'll see. I mean, you play, what is it like? You play dumb games. You play stupid games. You win stupid prizes.
Yeah.
Yep. You won
Hopefully
a good
you
one.
do things.
Well, we're home now, you guys. That was a little detour for the vlogs, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check the store online. Links down below. Peace out. See you in the next one.